So this actually happened in our office, and it sounds like a rain, but when we look at it, it's actually flooding in the toilet. So we have a little accident here at the toilet. So it's flooded with water. Okay, but it's okay. There's a drain there, and we're just gonna push it towards there. So this is the culprit here. So see, it's broken there. Anyway, just gonna remove this later on. So we're going to use this rainbow vacuum together with the rain jet attachment, some long pole and the hose, just to clean this mess. See, it pays to have a rainbow. Dirty water. So after I've cleaned the toilet, I actually used it to clean the floor. And if you take a look at the basin and the water, it's so black. So it's very convenient.